Hi everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today we're going to show you how to make some microwave bowl cozies. Have you ever taken something out of the microwave and the bowl is so hot it burns your fingers? Well, I'm going to show you how you can make these cute cozies to keep your hands safe. These are quick and easy and reversible. Today I'm going to use the Snow Collection by Moda. The cozies can be made in many different sizes. Today I'm using two 10-inch squares. You'll also need two 10-inch square pieces of batting. Make sure to use 100% cotton. First, I need to make a mark from corner to corner. Rotate the batting and make another mark from corner to corner. Make the marks on both pieces of batting and layer them on top of the pieces of fabric. Now we sew one piece of fabric and one piece of batting together right along the diagonal mark that we made. Turn the fabric and sew along the other diagonal mark that you made. When you're complete, you will have one piece of fabric and one piece of batting sewn together. If you're making several cozies, you can chain piece these as you go. Now we need to add darts. We're going to measure 1 inch in and 2 inches down. Rotate our ruler and make a mark from point to point. Mark another dart 1 inch in and 2 inches down on the opposite side. With one side marked, now we open it, fold in half, rotate, and we're going to mark 2 more darts. For each bowl, you'll need a top and bottom piece. Over at the sewing machine, we'll sew our darts. I've already made a couple, so I'm going to show you how to do it on the opposite side. Fold together, get everything lined up. Under the presser foot, and we'll sew along the diagonal marks that we made earlier. Sew your darts all the way around. You'll have 4 completed darts. Voila! We're looking good! Now we're going to cut the bulk from our darts. Using my ruler, I'm cutting about 1/8 of an inch from the seam. Cut the bulk from the darts all the way around. For one bowl, you will have 2 complete sets. One for the inside and one for the outside. Now we're going to place the bowls inside each other, right sides together, and pin all the way around, making sure to line up the darts and the corners. Now we need to make a mark so that we know where to start and where to stop in order to turn this right side out. We're going to sew all the way around, making sure to take out our pins as we go, and don't forget to leave an opening so that we can turn the bowl right side out. I also like to cut the corners to reduce bulk. Okay, we're almost there. We're turning it right side out. Using the purple thing is very helpful. Now we need to close up this hole. I'm going to give it a good press all the way around. One last time at the sewing machine. Make sure to backstitch to lock your stitches and top stitch all the way around. Ta-da! Bowl cozy complete! You can make these microwave bowl cozies in any size you want. There's a size for a casserole dish, a soup bowl, even down to a small mug or a custard cup.